Hi there, my name is Sarah Vigars, and I am an artist and a woodcarver. I live in Devon in southwest England. I love working with wood. I even carve puppets out of wood. Now, for the first time ever, I am teaching my skills. So, if you like, you can learn how to carve a puppet bird through my first step-by-step tutorial series. The tutorials are suitable for beginners or intermediate carvers. You can simply adapt your project to suit your confidence level. Throughout the project, you will learn handheld and tabletop wood carving techniques, using a small selection of handheld tools. You will also learn painting and staining techniques for working with wood. And, last but not least, you will learn how to assemble your puppet, add the control, and, at long last, bring your creation to life. The tutorials are free to watch, but if you want to take part, you will need to purchase one of my carving kits. There are two designs to choose from: a barn swallow, which I recommend for beginners, or a goldfinch, which is a bit more of a challenge. To complete the project, you will also need to source some tools, and some paints, and some other bits and pieces. The tutorials talk you through everything that you need, and you can even download a kit list as well. If you want to find out more, then you can sign up to my mailing list. Just visit my website, www.sarahvigarsart.com, or you can follow me on social media. Keep in touch, and happy carving!